Looking for the best RC tank toy and seeing the same shiny tanks with the same realistic sounds and battle mode claims. They all look tough, but most fall apart after one backyard mission. The real difference isn't in the photos, it's in how they handle rough terrain, how long they last, and whether they actually feel like a real tank. Let's cut through the noise. Product number 1, BAURE MA-RC Tank. This BAURE M41A3 looks like a classic American Army tank straight out of a kid's action movie, complete with lights, cannon sounds, and even engine noise. At around $56, it sits right in that sweet spot between cheap, flimsy toys and overpriced models. If you want something that feels military grade without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 270-degree turret rotation and programmable action sequences mean your kid can actually plan mini battle drills instead of just driving in circles. The 45-degree climbing ability is legit. I tested it on grass and gravel and it didn't get stuck once. Plus, the built-in rechargeable battery gives about 20 minutes of playtime, which is solid for this price range. Over 900 sold last month, and while there aren't many reviews yet, the design screams durability. Now, some people might complain about the shorter playtime compared to pricier models. Here's the thing though, for a 6 to 12-year-old, 20 minutes is usually enough before they want to switch games or take a break. And honestly, the programming feature keeps them engaged longer than constant shooting would. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, feature-packed tank that doesn't feel like plastic junk. Skip this one if you're planning full-day outdoor war games, you'll need more battery life. Still, for the price, it's a steal. Product number 2, ROGLALY2 Pack Battle Tanks. Now, if the BAURE single tank setup felt too lonely for epic battles, this ROGLALY set of two 1/24 scale tanks changes everything. At $122, it's definitely a step up in price, but you're getting twice the fun and actual head-to-head combat. If you want real multiplayer action with spray effects and life indicators, this is the pack to beat. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Each tank has its own HP system with visual life bars, so when one gets hit, lights go out and sirens blare. The 4 GHz frequency means no signal interference even if both tanks are firing at once. And that spray effect, it's not just smoke, it mimics water or oil spray on impact, adding a layer of realism most toys skip. With 35 minutes of play per charge and a 45-degree climb rating, these handle backyard terrain like champs. Now, some people complained about the weight, nearly 4 pounds total, making it less portable for younger kids. Here's the thing though, that weight adds stability on slopes and prevents tipping during sharp turns. It's not meant to be carried around all day, but for backyard battle zones, it's actually a plus. This is perfect for you if you've got siblings or friends who want to join the war. Skip this one if you only want one tank or need something ultra lightweight. For family fun though, it's unmatched. Product number 3, XINGRUI 112 Scale Crawler Tank. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better for serious off-road fans, the XINGRUI 112 Scale Crawler Tank. At $65, it's slightly bigger and built like a mini armored vehicle with openable doors and adjustable speed control. If you want realism, scale accuracy, and terrain dominance, this one stands out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 4WD track system grips like a real military crawler, no slipping on wet grass or loose dirt. The 2 included batteries give you nearly double the runtime of cheaper models, and the openable hatches, kids love that detail. It's not just a toy, it feels like a collectible. The 112 scale means it's large enough to see details but still easy to control indoors or out. Now, some people might be put off by the lack of battle features like shooting or smoke. Here's the thing though, this tank is built for exploration, not combat. If your kid loves driving, climbing, and pretending to be on a rescue mission, that's actually a strength. Not every tank needs to explode. This is perfect for you if you prioritize build quality and off-road performance over flashy battle modes. Skip this one if you want life indicators or recoil effects. For pure driving fun, it's a beast. Product number 4, Suptex M1A2 Abrams Tank. Now, if you're a fan of modern military tech, the Suptex M1A2 Abrams replica will catch your eye. At $51, it's one of the most detailed models here with smoke effects, recoil simulation, and 4 life indicators. If you want a tank that looks and feels like it rolled off a battlefield, this is the closest you'll get under $60. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 330-degree turret rotation and barrel tilt let you aim precisely even on slopes. When it fires, the remote vibrates and the tank recoils just like the real thing. The smoke adds drama, especially in low light, and the siren when hit makes defeats feel real. Plus, 2 rechargeable batteries give you a full hour of play, which is huge for this price. Now, some people complained about the remote needing AA batteries not included. Here's the thing though, that's common with RC toys, and once you pop them in, the controls are super responsive. It's a minor hassle, not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want maximum realism without spending over $100. Skip this one if you hate replacing batteries or want a simpler design. For detail lovers, it's a dream. Product number 5, Mostop 116 High-Speed Drift Tank. Finally, if speed and agility matter more than heavy armor, the Mostop 116 scale tank brings something unique: 360-degree drifting and high-speed crawling. At $77, it's pricier, but it handles like no other RC tank on this list. If you want fast, flashy moves and smooth control, this one delivers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Unlike traditional slow crawlers, this one can drift sideways, spin on a dime, and accelerate quickly on flat surfaces. The track design still grips well on grass, but it's built for dynamic movement. 2 batteries mean extended sessions, and the 4 GHz remote gives lag-free control even at distance. Now, some people might expect battle features and be disappointed there's no shooting or smoke. Here's the thing though, this tank is built for performance, not combat. If your kid loves stunts and speed, that's actually the whole point. This is perfect for you if you want a tank that feels more like a sports car than a slow bunker. Skip this one if you're all about war simulations. For pure RC excitement, it's a standout. So which one wins? The BEAURE is great for budget buyers. The ROGALALY set dominates multiplayer, the XINGRUI excels off-road, the Supdex nails realism, and the Mostop brings the speed. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Supdex M1A2 Abrams because it balances detail, battery life, and battle features better than the rest. Avoid anything without real terrain ability. Looks don't win wars. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.